Hey beautiful Disney friends! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently went to Hot Topics. It was actually when I went to go pick up my Dumbo box. And when I was there, I was looking around. I haven't been in there recently, so I thought, hey, I'm here, let's take a look around. So when I was there, I saw some things that really caught my eye, and I kind of wanted to bring home with me. Now granted, there was a lot more things I would have liked to bring home with me, but you know, reality can't have it all. But when I was at Hot Topics, I thought I saw some things that were really cute, and I thought they'd be so perfect to go into my collection. They had a lot of really awesome jewelry. They've actually released this like jewelry line recently. I can't think of the name. It's on the jewelry show. I'll show it to you. And so they've had like a bunch of really nice jewelry, and it's nothing that even like, some of it anyway, is nothing that necessarily like screams Disney. So I really like that. I really like that I can, you know, wear something that's, you know, still a Disney piece, but isn't like boom, in your face Disney. So I thought that was really cute, so I definitely picked up some jewelry. I have a few other goodies in here as well. I actually picked up a few more things that I came and show you because they were actually gifts for some of my Disney friends. So this isn't necessarily a huge haul, but it was bigger than what it is, and so I'm just going to show you what I bought for myself because I don't want to show you the things that I got for my friends because I don't want to be ruining the surprise, even though some of them don't know that they're getting gifts, so there's that too. So I wouldn't necessarily be ruining it, but I guess I'd be ruining it now because I just told you. But anyways, that's okay. Let me show you what I got for myself. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys are these socks. I am a slave for socks. I love them so much. They are practical. You can use them, you know, basically every single day. And they had these ones there. They are Daisy Ducks socks. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Daisy is just standing here looking absolutely fierce and beautiful on these gorgeous, like periwinkle almost socks, and she's gorgeous and I love her. And they do have a special on socks, which I think is basically on all the time, so it's like either 3 for $10 or 3 for $12, and I think that's a really great deal, especially for like Disney socks, considering you can like get one pair for like $14 regularly. So the fact that you can get 3 of them I think is great. I also really like this size. It's almost like an anklet. It goes up a little bit higher than that. And these are really perfect for me when I go to work, wearing them with my scrubs. I don't want something that goes up too high because my scrubs are a little bit shorter, which I really like. So these are really the perfect size socks for me. And they're my girl, they're my Daisy. I'm all about them. The next thing that I got were these pouches. So I have 2 different ones here. This first one is Disney Loungefly, and these are like the sidekick ones. So these are so cute. So they are just the iron-on patches. So you can get Gus Gus, Flounder, Pascal, Raja, Miko, and Mushu. This next one is also another Disney Loungefly one, and these are the Stitch patches, and I think these are so cool. I definitely want the like tiki figure Stitch. I'm so hoping I get that one. So you can expect to see like an unboxing or an opening of both of these coming pretty soon. I actually have a jean jacket that I've had for quite a while. It's kind of getting a little tattered and torn, but honestly it's so perfect and cuddly and cozy, and I love it. It's honestly my favorite jean jacket. But I do think it is time for a new one. So I think I'm going to be repurposing that old one. I'll be sticking some of these patches on there and maybe throwing some of my buttons on there as well, because I have so many buttons and I need to show them off. So that's what I think I'll be doing with these. Alright, so moving on into like the jewelry portion of this, the first thing I'm going to be showing you are these earrings. So this is the Mickey 90th earring set. I think these are so cute. So the first ones up here are Mickey and Minnie, and then the second ones here, which I really love, are just these plain hearts, and I think they're so cute. This last one down here, which is absolutely adorable, is this bow, and it has like this little chain that attaches, so it'll go to the top of your ear. I'm so in love with it. I think this is absolutely adorable. I did cut off the top because I actually got these a while ago, and I did wear them already, and I'm so in love with them. Next thing are these 3 rings. These are the part of the Her Universe collection. I think these are so beautiful. They are so cute and so unique. So I did pick up 3. I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping all of them. There's one I'm going to be keeping for sure, and I might be re-gifting some of these other ones. Not re-gifting, I mean they're brand new, but I might be gifting them to some of my other friends because I think that they might like them as well. But honestly, when I saw them, I thought they were so beautiful, and I definitely could not resist them. So this first one is the Aladdin one. So it's like the castle from Aladdin. It is beautiful. It has this gorgeous like teal color, and I thought, how perfect would this be wearing this to go see the new Aladdin movie, which is coming out so shortly. So I thought that was absolutely perfect. The next one is this Aurora one, and it is her castle. I wasn't too sure if it was her at first or not, but I mean that pink, the pink definitely is like giving it away. I think it's so beautiful. Or is it Rapunzel? I'm not sure. I want to say it's Aurora. And this last one, and probably the most gorgeous one, because again, the colors and it's so whimsical and beautiful, is this Ariel one, and it's of Atlantis, and I think it's so gorgeous. Atlantis is just such a magical place, and this is definitely a beautiful magical ring. The next 2 things that I got were these Disney princess necklaces. I love these. I think they are so gorgeous. Like I was saying, this is something that is Disney but does not scream Disney. It just has these really beautiful and almost like just delicate little charms that are unique to each of the princesses. So this first one, it's Pocahontas, and it is of a leaf. I think it's so nice. And what I also like is down here, it has like a characteristic of the princess. So it has Pocahontas, inspired by nature and adventurous, open-minded, and kind. And then for Tiana's, it's like a beautiful little lily pad. Again, so precious. It says motivative, creative, humble, and hardworking. I think I'm definitely kind of both of those things. Maybe not humble. I don't think I'm very humble. But other than that, I think some of these could go and describe me, but I think that's most princesses. I think, you know, there's something from each princess that could describe each of us. But I saw these 2 and I thought they were so precious, and I definitely wanted to pick those up. And this last thing was something that I saw being previewed maybe a month or 2 back, and I was so excited. So it is a pop. Is it a pop? I don't know if it's actually a pop or not. It's like pop inspired, let's go with. But I think it is a pop. I don't know. If someone knows, please let me know down below, because I'm clearly messing this up. But it's the Disney Princess Romance series, and there was 1, 2, 3, 4. There was 4 in this collection. And the one that I really wanted and was so in love with it when I saw it was the Tiana and Naveen one. Oh my gosh, I love Tiana in like her New Orleans dress. Like, I think it's so precious, and I love Prince Naveen. He is my favorite prince. I think he's so handsome. He's a little cocky and a little spoiled, but towards the end of the movie he like gets it together, and he's like honest and becomes hardworking, and I love him, and I love them as a couple. And this was definitely my favorite one out of the collection. I think all of them were honestly so cute. Like the Eric and Ariel one, like they're dancing, and then there's Flynn and Rapunzel. I didn't really like the look of Flynn's face, actually. It's kind of, both of them really, they could have had better expressions. And then the Beast and Belle one's seriously so cute as well. So they are all absolutely adorable, but I only picked one because I have to, you know, manage it. So this was the one I picked, and I'm so in love with it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in this box or take it out, but really, this is really so precious. I'm so happy. So those are all the things inside of this haul today. Like I said, there were a few other things that I actually did get, but since they were for some of my Disney friends, I'm obviously not going to be showing you, and even some of these things I might be sending off to some of my friends as well, so we'll see. But these are the purchases that I did make, and I love them. I mean, it's Disney stuff. Who doesn't love it? And the fact that you can like wear almost everything I got, I think that's, you know, it makes it more useful. So it's more practical, and it's more like, it's more practical. That's how I'm rationalizing this. Alright, my beautiful Disney friends, that does it for me today. No matter what you guys are doing, I hope you're having an absolutely magical day, and I will talk to you all real soon. Real soon! Oh my gosh. Bye guys.